Hello friends, you're welcome to our Human Resource Management course. So this is our course model 101. Let's quickly follow this through now as we learn about it. So today we're looking at Introduction to Resource Management. So what is it all about? Let's go now. Now we're going to look at the course outlines. Number 1, definition of human resource management. Number 2, evolution of human resource management. And number 3, importance of human resource management. And these are our course objectives. You need to understand the basic concepts and definition of HRM within organizational context, trace the historical development of HRM, and analyze the role of HRM in achieving organizational success and fostering employee well-being. Now let's quickly say them one after the other. This course is supposed to be a 30-minute course, but actually I'm going to talk about it in less than 30 minutes. So everything about going through this, you are still going to have an attached link that takes you to where you can even download this course and take your time to go through it. Now let's go. What is HRM? Human Resource Management, which is HRM, is the strategic approach to managing an organization's most valuable assets. Every organization's most valuable asset is its people, the workforce. It involves recruiting, developing, training, and retaining employees to achieve organizational goals. Whatever be the process, the practice, the procedure, the principles, the whatever in any organization, if the people fails, then everything is gone. Yes. So the job of the HR manager is very important in today's business world. Now, what are the evolution of HRM? If you look very well, you discover that issue of human resource, whatever, is a term we started using in recent times. Before we don't talk about this. Yes, we have something like personnel management or whatever manager. But now we talk more of HR. So how was the evolution? Go through this. The evolution of HR has been shaped by changes in societal, economic, and organizational needs. It has transformed from a focus on administrative functions to a more strategic role in organizations. So what are the timeline, the evolution? We have what we call the pre-industrial revolution. Now before 1800s, it was labor was generally managed informally by owners. At that time, owners were not thinking of employing a special person to talk about hiring labor and retaining labor. No, it was labor, the owners that were managing all of these things. That was the pre-industrial era. Now, with the early industrial revolution, focus was the rise of factories. There was a shift towards structured management of labor. Early HR functions emerged to handle recruitment and pay, and that was the key thing. In fact, that was the time they were called personnel managers. How you recruit and then payment of salaries. That was all about the work of a personnel manager then. But you see, things keep evolving. We have the scientific management era, early 90s. It now focuses on efficiency and productivity through scientific methods. Now, personnel manager were thinking, we just hire people. We don't just need to hire them and pay them. Are they really efficient? Are they productive? There was that focus. So that was where the understanding of if there's need for us to train, to retrain, so that they can be productive, start coming in. Now we have the human relations movement, which was actually gained attention, particularly after the Horton studies of 1920 to 1930, which emphasized the importance of social relations and employee morale. Now we begin to understand that it's not about even productivity we're talking about. Exposing workers and laborers to training wasn't enough. A lot of them know what to do, but if their morale are not boosted, if they're not under social relations, they can't perform very well. And so there was not emphasis on that area. We'll talk about the personnel management era, 1950s to 1970s. HR continued its role as an administrative function, but with more emphasis on employee welfare and labor relations. These areas were very important. Now, we look at the era of human resource management, the 1980s to the present time. The shift from personnel management to human resource management emphasized the strategic approach to managing employees. HRM integrated more fully into organizational strategy, focusing on aligning employees' goals with organizational goals. Two things are being pursued now. You are not just considering the organization alone, you are also looking at the side of the employee. That's where people go to a place of work where they don't only have to develop organizations, they should be developed while developing the organization where they work. And that's the work, the essence of having an HR manager in place in any organization now. So if you have an HRM that is thinking about workers, work, and those workers are not being developed, it's not the HR of today's world. Please change more. Now we have about the contemporary trends, which is something that is going to be the focus of the time. HRM has continued to evolve to meet the demands of globalization, technological advances, and changing workforce demographics. A lot of things are being considered today. You're looking at the globalization, you're looking at technology, you're looking at the employee experience, you're looking at diversity and inclusion, you're looking at flexible work arrangement. Every work must not be people must come to work, stay from 8 to 5. No. Some work can be done remotely, and people are still being paid for it. If there's that flexibility for workers, like work-life balance, wellness programs, career development, and it's one of the things that produces real productivity in your labor force. So these are the attention of the present time when it comes to human resource management in today's organization. Now, the key phases of HR evolution is that initially HR handled basic tasks such as payroll and compliance. Employee welfare focused on improving working conditions and addressing employee concerns. Strategic partnership, HR evolved to align workforce strategy with business objectives, becoming integral to organizational development. HR has come a long way from its humble beginning as a labor management function. Today, HR professionals are seen as key players in shaping organizational culture, driving business success, and fostering employee engagement. The evolution of HRM reflects broader changes in societal expectations, technological advancement, and the growing recognition of the importance of human capital in achieving organizational goals. Now, what are the importance of HRM? Human resource management plays a crucial role in the social sustainability of organizations. Its importance is multifaceted as it impacts various aspects of organizational functions and growth. Here are some key reasons why HRM is vital to organization. Number one, attracting and retaining talents. The job of today's human resource manager is not only to get the right, talents to work in organization, but retain them. That's why the welfare, the on-the-job training, the career development are there. Employee development and training. Number three, improving organizational performance. Number four, fostering positive work culture. Number five, legal compliance and risk management. Number six, compensation and benefit management. Number seven, change management and organizational development. 8, conflict resolution and employee relations. 9, strategic planning and decision making. 10, improving employee productivity and well-being. 11, enhancing organizational reputation. 12, support for innovation and change. So this is what today's workforce and when it comes to HRM is all about. So it has gone beyond hiring, paying to something bigger and better. So if you're an organizational owner, you run an organization and you don't have a quality hand on that area, then you have a lot to battle with. A lot of things. It's not about hiring, paying. No. Do you have a satisfied workforce? Do you have a productive workforce? And what do you think should make them productive? This is what exactly today's human resource managers do when you have this part among them. So this is just part one of everything about human resource. We have more than 30 courses on HRM. So as you go through this, please, I encourage you to make sure you access everything about this. To access all our free courses on HRM and other courses, all you need to do is visit our YouTube channel at Chiman Educator. Go to our podcast area where you have tech and soft skills. Click on it and you're going to access all these courses free. It's not only on HRM or everything you can think about. Soft and tech skills podcast. That's what this place is all about. So from A to Z, step by step guide, everything you want to know about. And if you think you need to hire us to train your workforce, please indicate anywhere on this video, and we're going to have a way to contact you so that we think about how to go about it. So I'm going to stop at this moment. If you are watching this video for the first time on our channel, I encourage you to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Please share this video so that others too can benefit. And if this video makes sense, do well to give us a thumbs up. I wish to stop here. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.